That means that the banks will have in the coming years, losses, realized losses on those real estate loans. And in some cases, and I don't think it's a lot of cases, but I think it'll be in some cases, it will mean that it will wipe out their equity and we will have some banking failures. And that's when the FDIC steps in and the Federal Reserve steps in to arrange a merger with another bank. I think my message is, because of the dangers in the banking system, and I don't want to make people think this is an extreme danger, but it is a danger. I wouldn't keep more than you need to keep in a bank for your foreseeable needs in the future in terms of cash. I mean, it's perfectly all right to have your securities in a bank. So if you have bonds or equities or gold or some other asset held by the bank, that's fine because they're not on the bank's balance sheet. But the minute you have cash on your current account, that's a liability of the bank on their balance sheet. And if the bank defaults, yes, you'll get paid if you meet the FDIC limit in America or the guarantee in various countries around Europe, because every country's got a guarantee for its banking system, but only to the extent that the guarantee corporation has enough funds. And they do have enough funds for a small number of bankruptcies. But if it turns out to be more, then you might find you're not getting 100% of your money. So I don't think it's a big danger. I don't want to scare people too much here, but I just think I wouldn't keep more than necessary in the banks.